Okay, my people, now we're going hot, hot, hot. Pickle habaneros. Now, habaneros are like 40 times hotter than jalapenos. So, here's my harvest from this year. Look at all the habaneros at the bottom there. Awesome, awesome harvest. Thanks God. He really, 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 really put the hand for my garden. So I made a previous video on how to do pickled jalapenos. You can check that video in my channel. But this video now is about the actual habaneros, pickled habaneros. So follow me. Here are the ingredients. You need 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, about 20 peppercorns, whole peppercorns, and 2 teaspoons of salt plus 2 star anise. That's all the ingredients you need for our liquid mixture here. So we're gonna put in a saucepan a cup of water, a cup of white vinegar. We also gonna put a cup of apple cider vinegar, and we're gonna do about 20 peppercorns, whole peppercorns, and 2 teaspoons of salt, and about 2 star anise. If you don't have any of these ingredients, that's fine. As long as you have the vinegar, which is what's gonna preserve your habaneros, that's all you need. So we're gonna bring this to a boil. Bring it to a boil, and pretty much as soon as it starts boiling, we're gonna turn this off. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends and family, forward my channels to all your contacts. Yes. So as soon as it starts boiling like that, that is kind of enough. That's it. Once it starts boiling, we're gonna turn it off. Turn it off, and we're gonna let it rest here while we actually get the habaneros ready for the liquid. So let it rest there. It doesn't really have to be hot, but you have to do that boiling first. Here are my habaneros, nice size habaneros from my garden. I just picked them up this morning. Look how beautiful these babies are, and super, super hot. Remember, I'm telling you, super hot. I took a bite of one of them, and I was dumping water on my mouth for a while. So these habaneros, um, I'm gonna pickle them because I got so many, and that way when you pickle them like this, they're gonna last in the fridge about 3 to 6 months, and sometimes I've had them there for about 8 months, and they will still be good. They will still be super super hot, uh, not super crunchy, but really really hot, and you can just take a few of them, put them in a taco or whatever. So we're gonna slice them very thin here. So we're gonna slice all our habaneros, the ones that I'm gonna use for my pickle recipe here. I'm gonna slice them like that, thin slices, and then once I put it in the fridge, it's gonna be there 3, 6, 8 months, and I just can pull them out, put them in a recipe, or put them in a sandwich, put it in a taco. Anything you wanna do, you're gonna munch of them directly just like that. That's up to you. I'm giving you the idea how to preserve them. So I'm gonna pickle these jalapenos. This is a nice amount of jalapeno. I mean habaneros, about 40 times hotter than the jalapenos. Look at how it falls from the sky. Well, we're gonna put them here in a glass jar. I always recommend glass over plastic for sure for pickling stuff. So if you have a glass jar, let's use a glass jar. Put them all in there until you fill your jar. So this is just the right amount for this jar size here. And now we're gonna put our liquid here. We're gonna make sure that that star goes in there. And I'm gonna put it here because it's gonna be easier to pour into our container here. So you just wanna make sure that your habaneros are covered with the vinegar liquid so they stay fresh longer. And you gotta make sure that they are all covered, all of them are covered, and those peppercorn go in there as well. So you scrape those peppercorn and drop them in there like raining peppercorns from the sky. Look at how beautiful that those peppercorn falling in the water. They look beautiful. But anyway, just make sure that it's all covered, and that's all you have to do. Just put the lid on that, and we'll put this in the fridge at least 3 to 5 days before start munching on them. So straight to the fridge, 3 to 5 days, and there you have it. Pickle habaneros. Super, super, super hot. Super hot, I'm telling you, super hot. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and send it to your friends and family. There you have it. Pickle habaneros. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.